out. You're not allowed to do that. Get out. Get away from me. You're not allowed to do that either. Go away.
Go away. Go away. Safety is our #1 priority. That's why we go around opening people's gates, so everything's safe and sound. Got a gate in there. When did they shut that? Do as you're told, Robbie. Did he try to open the gate, or was it him who opened it? I'll have to look back on the CCTV. I might put that on YouTube as well, just as a confirmation of why it all kicked off in the start place, in the first place. Must be that cold weather up there, that hike freezes the brain. Does it? Turns you into an idiot. Still left that gate open too, look. Dogs can go in and out of there and do what they like. Shit all over the place, no one cares. Well, Robbie's coming up the rear. Is that his usual move, is it? Coming up the rear? I can tell by the way you walk, you're a woman's man. Do you play referee often, do you? I bet you do, between these two, and he's the ref. He has to calm them down. He's the one in the Scousers, calm down, calm down. I wouldn't like to get near him and set him. He's the one, he'd thump you without saying jack shit, he would. He'd just smack you in the face, he wouldn't come out with all the girly remarks and threats. He'd just do it, this fella. Lucky I've got a camera, just in case he does. I bet you can't wait till you're in charge, can you, Robbie? Giving the orders out like him. They're parked on the sidewalk because they can't be bothered to walk an extra three metres. So they have to block a public footpath. And you normally have to apply for 3 days beforehand before you can do that, and you have to rope it off.